how to add table in Google Forms. So if you want to add table in Google Forms questions, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your Google form. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection and go with your browser, go with the Google apps right here. And from the Google apps, you will find the Google Forms option right here. For the application, you need to open up your Google form. And once you're on your Google form, you'll get this kind of interface. Or you can also go with a new Google form. So I'll just simply go back and then go with a blank form right here, and you will get a new form, right? So once you're in the Google form, look for the new button and make sure that you're on your new form. Now it's typically located at the top left corner of the interface. When you click on new, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From the drop-down list, select Google Forms, and this will open your form, or you can also start a new form. Now this gives you a canvas to design your form exactly the way you want. Once you are inside the blank form, it's time to give it a name. You can also do this by clicking on the untitled form, and here you need to go and enter a name, and here under the untitled question, if you want to add a table. So now let's just set up a basic question as a placeholder. With your question ready, the next step is to prepare the table you want to insert. Head over to a Google spreadsheet where your table is, or you can also go with your Excel where your table is, and create a new one if you haven't done so. Once you've done, like for example, I have this table right here. So what I need to do is just open my snipping tool, and after that, just take a screenshot of that table. Once you've done taking a screenshot of that table, what you need to do is go back to your Google form, and here you will have add image option. You need to click on image, and once you click on the image, it will take you to the insert image section. And here you can go with the browse option, click on browse, and then go with the pictures, and under pictures, you'll have screenshots. You need to go and take a screenshot of that particular thing that you've just taken, go with open, and wait for a few seconds, and here you will have your table. So enter the question, and then scroll down and go with the options, add some options, and this way you'll be able to add a table or insert a table in your Google Forms. You don't have any other way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.